And we have door to romance coming through. See, irrespective of whatever is happening in their life, they still want this chance with you coming through. Hello, Gemini. Welcome, new viewers, cross watchers, and my lovely, lovely moonions. This is a monthly reading for November 2020. We will be looking into love and anything else that the spirit has for us. At the bottom, we have the chariot, and at the top, we have five of lotuses coming in. Before we can move forward, there are certain kind of realizations that we need to embrace, acknowledge, and whatever kind of amendment which is required, whether it is releasing or picking up things where you left off, whatever it is that is required, do the change, realize, maybe realizing what love really means to you and then enacting upon it, which is coming in. There's certain kind of realization or a message or a pattern that the universe is trying to make you aware of before moving forward. That is also coming in. So become aware of repeated patterns which is coming through. All right, so the first card coming through is we have Nine of Arrows, Nine of Swords coming in, which is signifying a little bit of stress, sleepless nights coming through, someone who is quite anxious at the moment. The next card we have Blessings of Ganesha coming in. Again, you may be facing certain kind of stresses, anxieties, maybe peaking up a little, but you know what? We have Mercury and Mars turning direct. So things will calm down a little. You will start feeling a little less jumpy, especially when you start seeing things rolling forward, that kind of a thing, because Blessings of Ganesha is coming through telling you about success, abundance, and the initiatives that you're thinking about, especially if your higher self is also guiding you on that path towards that positive change in your life. Perhaps I feel the moment you make that choice to make a positive change in your life or pursue your goal, I feel life also encouraging you. So stepping out of a phase of too much stress, not being able to sleep, also anxiety, analysis paralysis, there's this calm down coming through, a recognition or validation from the universe coming in that things will work out. Don't stress about it. You have made certain kind of choices in your life, and now's the time that you keep on actively honoring those choices each and every day as you continue on your path, is what is coming through, because rewards will be coming in. We have the wild card also coming in reverse. So this is the Fool card coming in reverse, which in a way talks about not jumping the gun, taking your time, not getting, make sure the kind of decisions that you make in your life are not coming out of a place of fear, anxiety, or doubt. That is what is coming through. Any kind of promise that you make sure that you will be able to walk your talk. That is also coming through. Apart from that, if you split this into two people over here, this connection is quite nice, but whatever it is that is causing this person stress is making this person a little hesitant of taking the next step, is also what is coming through, holding off due to different things. But someone who is not being able to believe in their capability of really manifesting love, or their deepest desires, there's something holding them back which is coming through. We look into more cards, but overall what I see is that, like, the kind of stresses both of you are going through, there's a little bit of hesitation of taking the next step, or this may be a reminder of telling someone that don't make impulsive decisions. What is in front of you right now has a long-term effect, and it can really positively affect you. So think things through, which is coming in, but not from a negative angle. Choose something healthy for you, is coming through. Let's look into the energy and then we'll use some more clarifiers. Thank you. So we have Thinking Woman coming in reverse. This is a time where you really follow your intuition, and also a little bit of calmness, which is very much required. Too stressed out, it's negatively affecting your relationships, is also what is coming through. Divine Feminine, who is shying off from taking action, of being herself. It is time to start taking action and open up to your own inner guidance. It is good to be preventive to set healthy boundaries, but don't let that concern overpower reality, is the energy which is coming through over here. We have the man holding a heart coming in, someone doubting whether or not this person is really into you, or could be like, for this relationship to progress forward, they have to be present mentally, emotionally, physically with you, is also what is coming through. Someone who may be overly giving in the outside world, that they're not being able to give to you, to this relationship, 100% is also what is coming through. Energy wise, another card is Angel of Strength coming in. Believe in yourself to make the changes which are required coming through. And for some reason, there's this suspicious energy which is coming in, or not being able to trust the other person, which is coming through very, very strongly. Not being able to trust their own self is coming in, and kind of their lack of action making someone feel quite stressed out. They are not interested in me. What can I do better? Self-doubt, which is getting triggered by this person's lack of action, perhaps. Or lack of emoting is also what is coming in. They feel very vulnerable with you, but they're not being able to perhaps even figure why is it there. That is also coming in. Holding their feelings within, that is what is coming through. Since a man is coming in, I feel like this could be someone, perhaps a man who is easily angered and quick to criticize as well. That is also coming in due to their lack of confidence in them or self-doubt, which is why they put on this facade that they're very strong and they are controlling and everything, which is coming in. A reality check is coming through. I feel certain kind of deception which is coming through, like not being your honest true self, which is coming in. And it's not in a bad way, but there's certain kind of layers of the societal pressure which has formed this person. And in a way, they may also feel like, showing your vulnerability is a sign of weakness. So that is also coming in. We have Page of Arrows coming through, Page of Swords coming in, having a heart-to-heart conversation, someone who is moving beyond their fear and wanting to have a confrontation, but an open mind conversation is what they'll prefer, is coming through. Next, we have Page of Lotuses coming in, 2 pages coming through, young energy which is coming in, surprises which may be coming in. You least expect them to express their love or confess or even propose. That is also coming in, but it's like all up and down, up and down, up and down, which is happening. I feel something which triggers a fresh energy, a fresh zest into the relationship, reignites things. We have 9 of Discs coming in, someone who is financially kind of not exactly where they want them to be or the way they expected their life to head. Right now, they want more financial security, and their efforts may be more focused on trying to make their business work, is also coming in. We have 6 of Wands also coming in, the win over good, triumph, again and again, which is coming through. Financial constraints will no longer be there, and with that, certain kind of good news in their financial world perhaps inspires them to pursue the romantic equation they have with you, is also what is coming through. But certain kind of financial security is what is leading them right now, is what I'm seeing over here. They want to start, reignite, continue with the equation, relation, connection that they have with you. But right now, their fears and doubts in the career world is what is more predominant, is what is coming through, and influencing the way you both also interact, is what I'm seeing over here. But time and again, even if there is certain kind of withholding kind of energy which is coming in, there's another external energy which comes through, opportunity, which boosts the other person to pursue something very deep with you, is what I'm seeing over here. So any kind of blockage that you may be feeling right now, I feel like towards the end of November, things pacing out, new opportunities coming in, new communication which will be very beneficial, heart-to-heart conversations which will be very nourishing for the relationship to grow. Okay, we have indecision coming in. Very interesting, because I feel like even if whatever is going on in your head, finally realizing that you have this choice of choosing something positive, or the fear of the uncertainty will be settling down and you will be more inspired to go in uncharted lands. That's also what is coming through. And we have door to romance coming through. See, irrespective of whatever is happening in their life, they still want this chance with you coming through. So it's like dealing with everything in their life, but still pushing forward to come back to you is what I'm seeing over here. Realizing your value, this, even if you both were in separation of kind, I feel like this time apart has made them realize how much they value you, and that, like, being too consumed by the financial or career status of theirs, progress and growth, it will keep on happening, but they truly value you is what I'm seeing over here. Someone who is on the path of opening to real love is what I'm seeing over here. Decide on what you want. That is coming through quite significantly. And it's interesting because I see eight as two threes mirroring each other, and we have 33 also coming in. So there's this positive communication with your own self, which really starts releasing the doubts that you may have and making things slowly very clear for you. And that clarity also will start showing in your action, in your words, in your presence, and they would feel it more strongly. That is what is coming through, and which is inspiring this love in them. I can see that. Also, putting a step down when you feel disrespected also is very, very important to make the person realize that there is a limit to what you will take. And I'm not saying showcasing that with anger, but silence also sometimes is much more louder, is also coming through. I don't know what it is, but certain kind of time apart, which makes them realize your value in their life, is coming through very, very, very clearly over here. Because in all the cards, there is triumph which is coming in. A choice that you make, a change that you make, which triggers a beautiful ripple. And it's like the love and respect that you expect from others, bestow it upon yourself. Support others as well. And in turn, they will be supporting you. So, reciprocation kind of energy which is coming in. What you do, they'll be mirroring you, is the energy which is coming through. So, understand the influence that you have and how you can inspire this relationship, even without having a strong stance of leading it, but indirectly leading it. Now, I'm not talking about manipulation unnecessarily, but I'm talking about something real. Taking the time to realize how good this relationship really makes you feel. In terms of those who are single, what I see over here is that right now your potential partner is also undergoing certain kind of revolution, spiritually as well, self realization, or certain things that they are becoming aware of, like self doubt and all of that, which has been limiting them, and they want to think more positively about life. That is the kind of struggle that they are going through right now, believing in their capability. That is what is coming through to their capable, their gifts and talents also, which is coming in a way. I feel like this is someone who is wounded, but in fact a very, very passionate person, but they have certain kind of walls built up due to the fact that they are emotionally quite sensitive, and they've just walled up to protect themselves. That is what is coming through. But in the process of them going towards being comfortable in showcasing their vulnerable side or expressing their feelings towards you, it may be hot and cold as well. So I'll say that, like, while you are attaching, detach or give them the space is also what is coming through. Let them get the time to think about you, is coming through quite a bit. And that comes in very naturally for Geminis, but I don't know. There's something very, very nice, but it is going through a rocky patch at the moment. and it is very much required for the free will to flow in as well. I don't know when it's going to happen, but I feel that you're going to be like surprised romantically, is what I'm seeing over here. But in the process of it, become clear of your expectations of what love really means to you. Have a clearer vision of your life, also, is what is coming through. It's just that I don't want to mislead you in any way, a certain kind of delusion, but I feel that the turmoil which is happening is only going to benefit you too, but it is going to take time. You also have to decide in the time which is coming through whether or not you really want this person, whether or not you want to invest your time in this person. With your clarity, they will also become clear, because at the end, they are mirroring you. And love always starts from within. So become aware of self love energy that you're emitting into the world. Like romance is opening its doors for you. It is ready to enter your life. A very strong new connection could be entering your life as well. But are you ready? Is what is coming through. Alright, so do let me know your thoughts. Pretty interesting energy. Like you may not be seeing the positive things which are happening, but you will very soon, is the energy which is coming through. Let it unfold, and in that process communicate with yourself and the universe too. All right, so please do share it with the loved ones, comment below and hit the like. Thank you so much for being part of the Moonian family, and subscribe if you aren't already, and welcome to the tribe. Until next time, love, light, clarity to you all. Om Namah Shivaya. Keep that vibe high, my lovely Moonians.